Hello, let's take a look at the contour remachining function in madCAM. Here we have a model. It's a mold for molding a plastic part, and we would like to make a contour remachining after we have made the roughing and the finishing. So first we select a cutter. For the remachining we can take a 3mm cutter, and then we can select a region. So if we don't want to remachine the entire part, just the cavity, we can select a region around the cavity. Then we go to the contour remachining. Select the previous cutter, it was a ball and 6mm, and then we can choose step size, and we can also select if it should machine the relatively planar regions or the steep regions, because if machining with a contour, it could break the cutter if we just make a contour also at the steep regions, so therefore it's better to machine the steep regions first. Click OK, and madCAM calculates the toolpath. And there we have the contour remachining at the relatively steep areas. So now we can follow up with contour remachining at the relatively planar regions. Click OK, and madCAM calculates the toolpath. And there we have the contour remachining at the relatively planar areas. Let's take a look in the simulator, and first we can show all the toolpaths, the roughing and the finishing, and we can run them together in the simulator. First we see the roughing, we have the finishing, and here we can see the remachining, and it starts with the contour remachining at the steep areas, and we can see it will go in closed loops, cutting from the high level to the low level, making sure that it removes material before it will machine the relatively flat areas. And now it machines with the contour machining at the relatively flat areas. And here we can see the result after the contour remachining. Thank you very much.